Hello friends, few theory questions for retirement. Under section dash of Indian Partnership Act, a partner can retire. The section is 32 subsection 1. When we read, we say section 32 subsection 1. Subsection is written in the bracket. Okay. A partner may retire with the consent of all the partners if there was an agreement to that effect, and where the partnership is at will, he can give notice of his retirement to all other partners. D point is any of the above. Any one of the above can be the answer. It could be the all of above or it could be any of the above over here. Why any of the above? The partner with the consent of all other partners can retire, or he can give notice to all other partners, or there might be an agreement to that particular effect. Now the next question is, which of the following is not given to the retiring partner? His capital account balance is given. Complete goodwill of the firm? No. Goodwill of the firm is given for his share. Next point is his share of profit? Yes. His share of loss? Yes. So answer is B point. We don't give him the complete goodwill of the firm, rather his share of goodwill is given. The next question is, PQR, who were sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:3:1, R is retiring and his share is entirely taken by Q. When R is retiring from the firm, R's share in the firm was 5/10. His 5/10 share was entirely taken by Q, means what over here? His share would be totally a gain for Q. So what would be the Q's new share? That is 3/10 plus 5/10. So what is new share for Q? That will become total 8. Okay. So now new profit sharing ratio for P and Q would be 2:8. And for 2:8, if short form, we will write 1:4. Then gaining ratio is applicable for retiring partner's share of goodwill, for revaluation, profit or loss you can say, for distribution of reserves and profits, or for calculation of profits. So answer is A, that is retiring partner's share of goodwill is given by the gaining partners in their gaining ratio. Okay. Now the next is, if amount payable to the retiring partner in the form of the loan and interest rate is not given to us, what rate will be charged? That is 6% per annum. This is provided under section 37, that retiring partner's capital, if left over in the books of account as it is, then he is payable interest at the rate 6% per annum. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.